Hey guys, never fear, Reggie's here, and getting curly hair is not a big bag of tricks that you have to master all at once. This is the foundation for getting those easy curls. You see, there is an easy button when it comes to getting those curls to pop. And I'm here to break down each and every step to make sure you guys fully understand how to get to those positions, regardless of your hair's length. Unless you're bald. If you're bald, I mean, you need to stick around and subscribe for real.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie.
I already washed my hair and deep conditioned my hair. If you guys want a step-by-step process of how I do that, I use the Pantene Gold Series line. I will be linking that above. I also have a video on my channel on how you guys can keep your hair locked in and moisturized and hydrated throughout the week. Starting now, I'll be using Aunt Jackie's Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner, followed by African's Pride Moisture Defining Curling Cream. Last but not least, the Wet Line Extreme Gel. We're going to be operating on pretty much wet hair, guys, so make sure your head is soaking wet. After that, we're going to be going in with the rake method. At this point, you should have leave-in conditioner and curl cream applied to your hair, so make sure you're raking your hair from root to end or end to root thoroughly. After that, we're going to be going in with the shingling method. The shingling method works like this. You take a strand of hair, you smooth it all the way out, and then you twist towards me. If I'm on your phone, your TV, whatever, you twist towards me how I'm twisting towards you, and you go all the way up to the root of your hair and you let it go, and you should get a pretty decent, nice looking curl. Look, I have confidence in you. You guys see me going thoroughly back and forth to make sure I get this curl nice and smooth all the way down from end to root. And look what I came out with, a nice maintained, nice shingle curl, a little bit of frizz. We going right back in it. We're gonna do some more so we can show you guys exactly what the process looks like to getting curly hair. You guys can do this, I promise you. Boom. Come on now, you guys can do this. So we're gonna go through our rest of our head. Through the rest of my head, I pretty much did the rake method, the shingling method, and I detangle with a comb because I'm not gonna lie, that shingling method takes a minute. That shingling method do take a minute, but I am going to do pretty much a little bit of bigger pieces because my entire head, I do have a lot of hair, so it do take me a minute. But hey, right here I'm just going to go straight in with a little more detangle with the dimming brush, and boom, look at them curls popping. One of the biggest perks to having long hair and curly hair is the result. So guys, put in the work, you guys can do it. Detangling right here with a dimming brush, right here, dimming brush, define curls, boom, just like that. Final thoughts on the products that I use. I would definitely say the Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner that I use was very, very moisturizing. The cream from African Pride really paired well with that. It was very, very moisturizing as well. Got my hair super defined, and of course the Wet Line Extreme Gel. The hold on that was the best I've ever had. I've always used it in a certain way with just the rake method, but with me combining that with the finger coiling method, the shingling method, that was like tip-top shape. As you can see here, my curls look really defined. It was great, and I just would definitely say that this was a successful wash day. But if you guys want to see a full wash day tutorial, that's definitely coming up. Like I said, never fear, Reggie's here. Peace.